Introduction: CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is a tool used to control the appearance of websites. Writing CSS can be complex and time-consuming, especially for large projects. CSS frameworks are pre-prepared libraries that make web design easier and more standards compliant. What are CSS frameworks? CSS frameworks are packages containing pre-written, standardized CSS files. They are used in web projects to speed up the development process. They simplify the web design process, provide a convenient coding environment, and produce responsive and cross-browser compatible designs. Types of CSS frameworks: Bootstrap, most popular CSS framework for developing responsive and mobile-first websites. Foundation, a responsive front-end framework for designing responsive websites, apps, and emails. Semantic UI, a development framework for creating beautiful responsive layouts using human-friendly HTML. Benefits of using CSS frameworks: they provide a clean and elegant solution to common CSS problems. Enable rapid prototyping, beneficial in project planning, establish style consistency across different browsers. Come with built-in responsive design features, making it easier to create mobile-friendly websites. Common errors and how to avoid them. Overriding styles. Understand the framework's structure and naming conventions before using it to avoid overriding existing styles. Unused CSS: only select the components needed during the project setup or use tools to remove unused CSS to avoid slowing down your site's load time. Heavy customization. If you find yourself needing to override a lot of the framework styles, consider if the framework is the right fit for your project. Conclusion: CSS frameworks are an essential tool in modern web development. They provide a starting point and a standardized way of creating websites. Choose the right framework for your project and use it properly to avoid potential pitfalls. Understand the strengths and limitations of the tool and use it to your advantage.